Good morning, sir. We are the Group 5 and our topic is One Past but Many Stories. Controversies and conflicting view in the Philippine histories. The site of the first mass. The site of the first mass, a historical debate. The site of the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines has been a topic of debate among historians, with two permanent locations being the Masawa Islands and Masao in Butuan City. The site of the first mass, so ang site sa first mass, ang first recorded Christian mass kuno kay naheld sa Easter Sunday, March 31, 1521, and in the little island port named Masao. Yagnani sa duha ka identical account report in this event kana by eyewitness sila si Antonio Pigapita in 1523 ug si Antonio de Herrera Y Tordesillas in 1601. Ang masaw kuno ang masaw kuno kay a word only in Butuan known and its session. Tausog out of 181 Philippines language. It means brilliant light and crystal clear.
The brief history of the first Mass. On Sunday, the last day of March, the feast of Easter, the captain sent the chaplain ashore early to say Mass, and the interpreter went with him to tell the king that they were not coming on shore to dine with him, but only to hear the Mass. The king, hearing that, sent two dead pigs. When it was time for saying Mass, the captain went ashore with 50 men, not with their arms, but only with their sword, and dressed as well as each one was able to dress. And before the boats reached the shore, our ship fired 6 cannon shots as a sign of peace. At our landing, the two kings were there and received our captain in a friendly manner, and placed with him between them, and then we went to the place prepared to saying Mass, which was not far from the shore. Before the Mass began, the captain there a quantity of most sore water on those two kings, and when the opportunity of the Mass came, the two kings went to kiss the cross like us, but they offered nothing, and the elevations of the body of our Lord, they were kneeling like us and adore our Lord with joined hands. The ship fired us all their artillery at the elevations of the body of our Lord. After Mass had been said, each one did the duty of Christians, receiving our Lord after the captain had some word play by his people, which gave great pleasure and to the kings. Then he had a cross brought with the nails and crown, to which the kings made reverence, and the captain had them told that these things which he showed them were the sign of the emperor, his lord and master, from whom he had charge and commandment to place it in all place where he might go or pass by. He told them that he wished to place in their country for their prophet, because if there come afterwards any ship from Spain to those islands, on seeing this cross, they would know that he had been there, and therefore they would not cause them any displeasure to their persons, not their goods. And if they took any of their people, on showing them these signs, they would at once let them go. Besides this, the captain told them that it was necessary that this cross should be placed on the summit of the highest mountain in their country, so that saying it every day they might adore it, and they if they did thus neither thunder, lightning, nor the tempest could do them hurt. Saysay ug usa ka makasaysayan ng panghitabo din si Ferdinand Magellan ug ang iyang mga tripulante nakig-uban sa mga lokal nga hari sa Pilipinas atol sa Pascua on March 31, 1521. So si Magellan nagdala og pari aron magmisa ug siya miadto sa baybayon uban sa 50 ka mga tawo aron motambong mga lokal nga hari. Nagabi-abi kanila sa mga mahigalaong mga pagi. Ang mga barko nagpabuto og mga kanyon isip timaan sa kalinaw sa wala pa ang paglanding nila. So ang mga lokal nga hari nagpakita og pagtahod sa mga ritual sa Kristyanismo. Nagluhod og nagkahiusa ang ilang mga kamot sa pag-alsa sa lawas ni Kristo. Gipaila ni Magellan ang cross isip simbolo sa awtoridad o proteksyon sa emperador nga nagpasabot sa kahinungdanon o mga benepisyo niini.
Four sites to the first mass in the Philippines. First is Limasawa Island in southern Leyte, Masaw or Masawa Island in Butuan City, Pumunhon Island in Eastern Samar, and Mahaba Island in Surigao del Norte. So, Limasawa Island, the most famous island town in southern Leyte, is recognized sa Philippine government as an actual site of the first mass. So, giilasan ni sa Roman Catholic Church ang Limasawa, nilan sila si Magellan o nag-held sa first mass. Og ila kini sa embassy sa Spain nga piri nilang si Magellan og nagpadala sila og galyon ang Andalusia para bisitahon ang Maasin City og 5 days and 3 hours sa Limasawa. So Masaw in Butuan City. An alternative claim, some historians argue that Masaw in Butuan City could be the actual site of the first mass, citing alternative interpretation of historical record. Masaw in Butuan City. The Butuanans and their supporters advocate that Magellan and his men landed in Masaw for the reason that it has an anchorage, rice fields, gold, antique, balangay, and other artifacts which they unearthed and scattered areas in Butuan City. Pumunhon Island in Eastern Samar. Some historians suggest that must have been conducted here upon Magellan's arrival, emphasizing the cultural significance for early encounters. So, sa Pumunhon Island sa Eastern Samar, some people in Pumunhon claim nga si Magellan o iyang mga kauban na ay religious nga gibuhat after nila magland sa isla. Ang mga kauban ni Magellan naka-experience of mga trouble after nila magland sa Guam na gitawag nila og Las Islas de Ladrones or the Island of Thieves. Ayon sa mga tao nga si Magellan ug iyang mga kauban nag-held og mass para magpasalamat sa Ginoo sa ilang safe nga biyahe sa Guam o sa Pacific Ocean. Mahaba Island Reserve in Surigao del Norte. This claim is based on fictional interpretation and geographic description in historical accounts. So, Mahaba Island Laser in Surigao del Norte. Another group claim nga ang Magellan Expedition nag-held og first mass sa Mahaba Island sa Surigao del Norte. Based sa mga evidence, ang expedition ni Magellan nilan sa isla nga gitawag og Masaba nga nailhan sa pangalan nga Mahaba Island.